Hey, this is Mazaro. Today we came to check one of our sites and to check how everything is going and how everything is improving small. What today we want to talk some more about why some generations are romantic. This video, it doesn't mean going practices. Nah, this is just a small research I made. It doesn't mean going practices there. We are in times of accepting things and rejecting things in Ghana here right now. So, upon the research I made, say, for no more generation, be more you soon have buying be a bit is a bonto and more hand buying be as random be more use married one. When the research alcohol, they're not alcohol. One of use alcohol, they're no more generation. The tabum by a cherry mental disease, not a bumper, or more use alcohol. That shows that alcohol intake there is all money form. But what a more use in her buying generation in be? Researchers up till now. Those people were much romantic than one normally live with nothing. So let me show you this. Mom used to bonto, especially in Cocraphone, I used to number 4. More of the number name in front of the house now, but the bonto be a shanty. Not that would deem Jubena, Tembiana from the Netaka on Cocraphone, the Cacana Ion. There be any bonto nation of them as an inje. Because for that time I wash and society, Yama opus 1 year went to mine, yes, say me could face you woo or the house ana. Never hope because all aims be the bass as or me accomplish it. So the house ana a yaw winning more to not be but to the show Mohasi to other house and a bear energy rising the dopamine level and dopamine transmitters na active normal transfer into normal transfer dopamine na half an mama any imagine. So that was what some of generation way. Due to happiness, no womaness they be a constant happiness or the war for a man as for no be so happiness kaka by the musa to be about happiness piano the opposite kuno one very romantic always make him happiest as possible or you happy every day or being very romantic but emotional who can be a pains Nadia. Trust me, you're going to date one romantic guy. On research I always say some videos. Men fan say all practice nah. We are just learning. So it's not for practice. The open research due to Sanya a generation be romantic. It doesn't prove say who taking her by our generation be romantic, baby. But so the Akakusim says, oh, you're happy more. The more you are happier, the more you are romantic. See, a guy, so I say, Abia, or you're romantic, make him happy. And I'm Emma Biaso, Yama man and Nietzsche, what in my living a life I do standard B, or if you can crab your team, or a car small one B, never in or bow on for pressure man will feel. They are always romantic. Always romantic. I think that you need to subscribe to this channel, share this video, give it